We just had a pretty good rain. I thought you'd be interested in seeing how well the dirt held into place. You got a couple little washes, but given that there's really not anything holding the soil back, I think it did pretty well. I don't know if the pictures really do it justice, but your grass seed's coming in phenomenal. A little wash over there. Must be a good flow coming right in that area for some reason. A bit of dirt down here. I don't know if that was there before. Definitely gonna have a full lawn by the time you get home. Reekers are looking excellent.